Today at Jiffywiz we do Lego Brickheadz Dumbledore number 61. Stay tuned. Welcome to Jiffywiz, where we make magic. My name is Andy Sharp, and if you're new to this channel, think about subscribing. Hit that little bell if you want reminders. We do new videos every single Monday. Today, we're doing Lego Brickheadz from Harry Potter. Has several different collections, and today we're going to do the one that has the Ron and Dumbledore double pack. We're just going to do Dumbledore today. He's number 61 in the Lego Brickheadz collection. Let's check it out. All right, let's start off by checking out the box. Here's the front here. Ron and Dumbledore, 1661. There's the side. There's the other side with a little advertisement. Here's the back. Here's the bottom. And there's that little tab, how you open it. Press it and pull out the little packages. Now there's two packages in here. One's labeled number 1 and one is labeled number 2. We're going to do 2, which is Dumbledore. Let's go ahead and open it up and see some cool bricks. This looks like his hat pattern. And that's his robe pattern. And let's see what else we got. This is his spectacles. A couple eyes built in. And of course we have the Elder Wand. Alright, let's get building. That was Dumbledore from the Lego Brickheadz collection. Little spectacles. Little Elder Wand. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you'd like, I've got subscriber giveaways. Check it out in the description below. And if you'd like to purchase this, it's also down there in the description below. I'm going to do Ron in a couple of weeks. Otherwise, I'll see you when I see you next time. Have a magical Monday. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm at Jiffywiz. I also have a Etsy store with Harry Potter inspired art for sale. Check that out in the description below. If you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe right over there in that green dot. We do new videos every single Monday. I hope to see you guys back here. Mischief managed.